Guys, this is finally the end of this project, so I want you to tell me at the end of this video what you didn't like and what you liked. Also, I hope you enjoyed this video because this is the whole end of this project, so the transmission build. Without wasting your time anymore, let's get into the video. Enjoy. Alright, so I've got it done. Also going to be the external bearing. But the loose is not that big. So clearly when I weld it, it'll stay like that. Just cut the frame.
You walk around naked, I might just text you. Turn your phone over when it's all over. No settling down, my text go to your screen. You know better than that, I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when the glass is empty. You thinking that the sun's coming on to tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling, you start crying. I come over, I'm inside you, I can't find you.
Alright, so my grandfather just came and I finished welding the axles. But yeah, he gave me this 2 bolt to the bearing and the frame. These bar will act as a support for the axle to not flex with the vibrations, the weight of the tractor and everything. Now I'll show you guys what it looks like. That's what it is. Today we are again doing the fenders. I try to finish them this evening and I hope they're going to be okay. So I'm gonna make the side covers, cut this and make the brackets that'll hold onto the frame, and we'll make this for both fenders, or the ones there. So yeah, I'll try to hurry up and put them on the mower. And after that, time for the seat, racing seat. So yeah, speed run, let's go. Finally is the completed race mower. Let's freaking ride it, bro.
But before that, here's the final paint job.
Same for the other side. And I also want to try. Well, I'm sorry for that, guys, but this is the end of this video. You won't see the mower working because I want you to come back for the next video. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have got any questions, let me know, and wait until the next video. You will like that, I'm sure, 100% sure, and wait for the freaking noise it makes. So see you guys.